Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft the Chimera Stone and grow a garden. That's how you're supposed to pronounce it, I guess. It's Chimera stone. I don't know what it does yet, but you'll need one mythical egg, one bug egg, one jungle egg, one gem egg, 500 million shekels, and it's going to take 1 hour to craft it. So I'm just going to craft it, and let's see what happens when I make that stone. I don't know what it does, but let's just craft it first, and I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, now once you're done crafting the Chimera Stone, you're actually going to use it to summon a Chimera. You will need the lion, the goat, and the emerald snake. But we are going to go to the cosmetics inventory first, and we will need this like stone. Just gonna rotate that. We will need a stone like this, and we will need some light sources. I'm just going to use a lantern for that. You will need 4 light sources, so I will be just using this. 1, 2, wait, where is it? Oh, that's not it. 1, oh, there it is. 2, 3, and 4. And again, you will only need to equip the pets you need. So let's get the lion, the goat, and then the snake. Okay, now you're going to get your Chimera Stone out, and you're going to place it here. It says, are you sure you want to use the Chimera Stone? Goat, lion, snake will fuse into a chimera. Confirm. Ooh, this is cool. Oh my god. And now I have a chimera. That's cool. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.